What? I don't have parties. I don't have this. What am I going to vlog about?
You know that I want you. You know that I want you, baby.
So guys, hi minions, welcome back to another vlog. I am really excited. You know why? Because it's like the monthly reset vlog, and we all know how the monthly reset vlog is. You know, you're just gonna plan, do your it girl routine and the like. And I'm really excited because I don't know, for one reason I just find it so much fun creating monthly reset vlog. I don't think I did for that of January because you know it's New Year, so no need for that. But like it's February and I'm really excited because we're in the month of love, affection, you know, a lot of things are going to be happening in the air, in the atmosphere, and I'm really excited about that. So today I'm just gonna like clean my room as usual, do my workouts, do my laundry, walk, reset, reflect, and then plan for the day. So I'm taking you guys along with me today. So let's just see how it goes. I hope you love it here. So stay tuned. See you. Bye.
I can paint a picture with 1,000 words. She can start a fire with a single step. I give away love for less than it's worth. But she can make love when it isn't there. She says she needs me to survive. But without her.
minions. So I just came out of the shower and I'm done with everything, literally everything. So right now I'm just gonna like respond to email because I have work to attend to. I have to respond to emails, and I'm going to see, like, I know January was like a lot. January is more like a, like a try, like the first month you actually used to try something, you get me? So I'm glad that I didn't later waste all of that. I started my workout routine effectively today, and I started posting like a week ago. This is like the second week that I started posting consistently back. So I feel like I'm just like, now I'm getting the hang of, like, yeah, I mean, 2025, you need to like process a lot of things and you need to like do a lot of things. So yeah. So respond to emails, respond to some of your guys' comments on YouTube, and we'll see from there. Okay.
Your mind is amazing. There's too much to say. My heart is a place. All I see, all I know, say you are the definition of love. I won't rest till you know for sure that you are the definition of love.
So guys, I decided to read the YouTube rules and regulation because I've been seeing it on my FYP a lot. Okay guys, so I'm done with like my tasks that has to do with work related and also personal stuff like YouTube community guide, because I'm still reading it. It's a lot. I see why people don't actually read it sometimes. It's actually a lot. But before I end my vlog, I would like to say I'm grateful to God. First of all, I thank you guys, all of you that have been watching, that have been subscribing, that have been commenting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. And secondly, I went through January. I really do not have goals for January because I feel like it's always like a trial month. So we're just trying to start goals for like 2020. I mean, goals for like February. And my February goal is just to like post consistently for the month of February, which is 4 times a week. That's just the only goal I have for February. I'm trying to be more realistic and see how I can be more conscious and actually achieve the goal. That's number 2. And then number 3 is just that I just want you to believe that everything is possible. Like, just believe that everything is possible. Don't limit yourself and don't feel like, oh, because I don't have this, so I can't do this, I can't make this. When I started YouTube, I used to think like, oh, I don't go out. Because I actually like going out and stuff. Like, I don't go out, I don't have parties, I don't have this. What am I going to vlog about? And I really want to vlog. And then I thought about it. Why not just use my 9 to 5 as, use my 9 to 5 and just have fun with it? Like, it's not that difficult. Because I see people here, like, they don't do anything. They don't even go to like party and everything. And I'm sure they've started the YouTube long time before now, because they have a lot of subscribers, they have a lot of views, and I'm sure they're also earning. So don't feel like, oh, okay, I don't go out, I don't do this, I can't vlog. If you're going to the market, vlog about it. Right now, don't care about the aesthetic, because that is what you have for now. So use it. And then when you eventually get to the point where you're not having the aesthetic and everything, maybe showing us the luxury apartment, the luxury outing, traveling to Paris and everything, that's fine. That will even show that, oh, the growth. You can actually go back to like your YouTube channel and watch like how you started, where you started from. Like me, where I started from, if I go back to my channel and I'm watching, because some of them I've actually archived the videos. If I go back and then I watch it, I'm just like smiling, like, look at you, this is where you are before and now this is where I am. Like, you watch the growth, is actually fun and interesting. So anything that you can do now, just do. Because right now I'm just like living my life. I'm not even trying to be hard on myself anymore. Whatever you guys are going to see, that aesthetic or not aesthetic pleasing, that is what I have for now. And then eventually when I get to the position or the place I want to be, what you guys really want to see, I will be able to provide that and I will give it to you guys. So I just feel like that's the thought I should just drop here. So I love you guys. Thank you so much. If you've gotten to this part, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.